Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm giving you guys a shower routine, a very simple morning shower routine. Usually when I wake up in the morning I just take cold showers, guys. I love cold showers because it just boosts my metabolism and it can really help you also to just lose weight. So I'm just using a soap that I found in this hotel. Mind you, I was in a hotel, so this is what I was just basically using. The soap smells so nice, I cannot complain, but it's so small. It's really so small. It's really so small. But anyway, I really did enjoy the shower because the smell of the soap, even if it was so small, was amazing, and it just leaves the skin so smooth all day long. Guys, it's so nice to take cold showers. It's so amazing. It just makes you feel awake, just to release the pressure and stress that you have in your body, and it really can help you to keep going. I really love it, and it's so nice taking cold shower. So guys, for my face, because I was trying to get rid of makeup on my face, and then I just use this soap and then take off other makeup. The soap smells so amazing. Basically it's not for the face, but actually I had to do something for my face. Took out my lashes, guys. Look how long. Look at the volume of the lashes. The makeup though, yeah. One thing that is so important, it's so important to wash your face before you go to bed, just to get rid of the makeup and letting your skin just feel moisturized and just hydrated and smelling and feeling great. Guys, I really have issues on with my skin, but I kind of feel like my skin is getting better. I'm so in love much more with my skin now, and even if they are ish, it was worse. It was definitely worse, guys. So yeah, this is just the hotel. So messy, but I'm gonna clean. I was gonna clean, yeah. So yeah, this is it, guys, and it's so nice, you know. I spent like 700 rand one night. It was just basically a nice, just to be alone out of problems and stuff like that. I just enjoyed myself. Yeah. So basically when I want to just start my day, I just take coffee. I drink coffee, guys. Coffee in the morning, and basically coffee really helps you just to wake yourself up, wakens the body, and just be active, and it really boosts your metabolism, and it can help you to lose more weight. So yeah, I love coffee.